Hello students, today in this video we'll study about the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. It's the continuation of the same. Today we'll study about the species. What is it? It is a group of populations which are capable of interbreeding. This means that the members of a species can reproduce fertile offsprings only when the members of their own species are not with the members of the other species. Members of a species have common characteristics. For example, different varieties or different breeds, species of mango tree, different species of jamun, different species of cow, different species of peacock, different species of lion, etc. Activity 7.6, find out the endemic plants and animals of the region where you live. You will do it by yourself in your copies. Next, we'll study about the wildlife sanctuary. India is a home of several fabulous wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, which make this country a nature lover's paradise. A wildlife sanctuary is strictly prohibited and punishable by law if it is interfered by the normal people. Wildlife sanctuaries like the reserve forests provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. People living in wildlife sanctuaries are allowed to do certain activities such as grazing by their livestock, collecting medicinal plants, firewood, etc. That means the people who are living nearby the wildlife sanctuaries, they are only allowed to graze their animals and take their livestock like wood for making furnitures or for household works and collecting medicinal plants from that reserve. Only those peoples are allowed. Wildlife sanctuaries contains different types of animals, plants, etc. Some of the threatened wild animals like black bug, white-eye bug, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, gharial, marsh crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. In Indian sanctuaries have unique landscapes, broad level forest, mountain forest and bush land and deltas of big rivers. It is even protected forests are not safe nowadays. People who are living beside that are poaching or killing or destroying them. So, some for protection has been made zoo and wildlife sanctuaries. And what's the difference between a zoo and a wildlife sanctuary? Zoo is a facility in which animals are kept for public exhibition, whereas in wildlife sanctuary it is an area within which animals are protected from possible dangers such as hunting. Their habitat is also conserved in this area. Zoo, it is an artificial habitat which is prepared by the human beings, whereas wildlife sanctuary is conserve the natural habitat of the animals. You can go to some of the zoo which are nearby after the lockdown period and see them. Now, what's a national park? It is a park which used for conserving purposes. It defines as the conservation of wild nature for prosperity and is a symbol of national pride for our country. National parks are being maintained by the nations by and the government. In national park, they preserve the flora and fauna, landscapes and historic objects of an area. A famous national park is the Satpura National Park. It is the first reserve forest of India. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. There are more than 100 national parks in India. Rock shelters are also found inside the Satpura National Park. These are evidences of prehistoric human life in the jungles. These give us an idea of the life of primitive man, early man. Even in the rock shelters, paintings are found which are being identified in Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. The figures of animals and men fighting, hunting, dancing, and playing musical instruments are depicted in these paintings. Many tribals still live in these areas. The Satpura Tiger Reserve, it is protecting the tigers, and this project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tigers in the country. The objective of this project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population in the country. That's all for today's video. Next, we'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.